Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 40 at 100 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. It is a matter for gratification that your society has been able to obtain resources from the public for continuing to run so many educational institutions, all of which I am sure are contributing to the spread of education and culture among the people of Karnataka. I am glad to note that you have been able to supplement in such large measure the efforts of your government to spread education in this part of your province. Para change. Let me say a few words with special reference to this institution which you have recently started for the benefit of primary school teachers. All over India, efforts in this direction have been held up by two obstacles. The first is, of course, the lack of finance. It is more appropriate that I shall address myself to the other obstacle that stands in the way of extension of primary education. I refer to the lack of qualified teachers. It is not enough to find a building and the equipment for a primary school. We have experienced great difficulty in getting trained teachers. Therefore, you have done well in starting this institution, and I have no doubt on the quality of education that this institution will provide to build up well qualified teachers for the primary schools. Some of the teachers who leave this institution will surely find their jobs in towns, but by far the larger number undoubtedly have to work in village schools. I trust, therefore, that the authorities of this institution will make every effort to give the teacher their best training and qualification so that they may educate the village school children as a friend, philosopher, and guide. In a number of villages, the primary school teachers have also the responsibility of helping the village community by understanding and solving number of their problems, social and economic. Lastly, I hope and believe that this institution will do everything possible to develop qualified teachers who will fulfill their social responsibility of educating children and contributing to the betterment of our society. These dedicated teachers will help shape the lives of children who are the future of our country. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.